BSK Zephyr is an easy-to-install, decentralized heat recovery ventilation device suited for houses without a pre-existing ventilation infrastructure. Start the installation by punching a 160mm diameter hole through the wall. The included PVC pipe cut to the wall thickness is placed inside this hole. The wall fixture part is fixed with dowels and screws. The same is done to the outer side of the wall as well. The outer hood part is mounted onto the wall fixture part. After connecting the electric cables, the inside cover part is screwed onto its place. The capsule assembly holding the fan, 2 filters and the ceramic core is placed inside, followed by the front cover part, and the assembly is completed. The inside assembly of the unit is only 43mm thin. The front cover part also acts as a damper, opening only when the device is working, allowing the air to pass. It will be half open in night mode to reduce noise to a mere 3 decibels. In normal mode, the fully open hatch provides up to 60 cubic meters per hour of airflow. You can also attach decorative aluminium front panels as an accessory, painted and cut to different combinations according to your request. In the exhaust phase, device draws the air from inside for 70 seconds. The hot air transfers its heat to the ceramic heat exchanger core. In the supply phase, fresh air from outside is blown for 70 seconds. Previously charged ceramic core will help heat up the incoming cold fresh air. Thanks to the integrated Wi-Fi module, multiple devices can create a simple network inside your house. These paired devices can be set to work in parallel or reverse easily. This allows you to create airstreams in up to 15 different ventilation zones inside your house, and also control them from a single remote. With the included IR remote, you can activate the night mode, choose the airflow direction mode, choose from 3 fan speeds, and set the humidity limit for automatic moisture extraction.